Jeshwik, listen to me now. So your mom has gone through a lot of pain, lot of trouble to bring you into this world. So I would say, always respect her. That is the most important thing. Always respect your mother.
मम्मा का प्यारा, मम्मा का प्यारा.
So we found out that we were pregnant on 30th September 2024. It was one of the happiest moments of our life. That day when we were taking pregnancy tests, I had a feeling that it's going to come positive. And for the first time, I turned my phone on and put the video on because I wanted to capture that moment. I had a feeling from inside that something positive will come from it. And in fact, it happened and we were really happy. Our pregnancy journey has been a roller coaster ride because there were good times and bad times, and that's the case with everything in life. Overall, I think we had a very enjoyable pregnancy. We used to love going for scans. We just dying to see, bits and pieces of him. Sometimes doctor will show his face, sometimes doctor will show his hand. So that was life changing for me, in fact. And first time I felt like there is God.
Yashu, you like this position? Papa rocking you?
Doesn't care. He's pissed off. Look at his face.
Jeshu,
Me too.
if you don't give me the burpees, I'll make you sit.
नवराई माझी लाडाची ग आवड हिला चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची ग.
एंड मदर बनने की एक अलग खुशी होती है. एक मदर बनने की एक अलग खुशी है.
और आई चली शर्माती घबराती वो पिया के घर इठलाती बोल.
I'm feeling very happy.
लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैं नाना नहीं बना. मुझे बेटा नहीं था, मुझे लगता है मेरा बेटा आ गया.
बेटा नहीं था,
बेटा आ गया.
मेरे को बेटा मिला.
अभी ये जो एज होती है, इसमें जब दादी बनते हैं तो उसकी एक अलग ही खुशी होती है. वो बयान नहीं की जा सकती है, एक्सप्लेन नहीं की जा सकती है. तो बस इतना ही है कि पोता मेरे घर का चिराग मेरे को बहुत ही प्यारा है और वो हमेशा खुश रहे, आगे बढ़ता रहे, यही मेरी कामना है.
हाँ, चुनर में इसकी सितारे सारे चमकीले चमकीले चमकीले, कंगन में इसके बहारे बाजे हरे.
He is the best thing which has happened right now, and we are looking forward to be more happy.
औरा हिला चंद्राची ग.
तक रोल करने लगी. जब भी फोन करती हूँ, मम्मी रखो, मेरे को ना ये करना है, वो करना है. थोड़ी देर में फोन करती हूँ, वो थोड़ी देर कभी नहीं आती है. He's like an angel. अभी he looks like an angel. और सबसे ये बात सही है कि वो जो भी करे लाइफ में आगे बेस्ट करे. एंड माय विशेस फॉर हिम इज गुड हेल्थ एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी.
हम लोग के घर में जो खुशी लेके आया वो हमारे पूरे जैन खानदान में पहला वारिस है जो मेल है, तो एक अलग टाइप की खुशी होती है.
छलकाती वो पिया के घर भरमाती सब कुछ आती वो.
He fulfills whatever he wants to be when he grows up.
whatever he wants to be that, and everything is perfect, and he should be blessed and always. I love my Jay so much.
The transition from husband wife to parents is way different and worlds apart. As when we were husband wife, we were chill and there was nothing to look after or being very much responsible. Now everything revolves around Jeshwik, his schedule, his feed time and everything. We have to plan according to this child. And yes, it is exhausting, but at the end of the day, when you see that fresh and pleasant smile on his face, everything is gone. The pain is worth it, and
The effort is worth it.
the effort is worth it. The patience is worth it.
Very emotional. I'm feeling very emotional right now.
That when Jeshwik grows up and he will see and hear our journey, I'm glad that it happened. And I want to tell my son that I left pizza for him for a year, and it should be worth it. And he should love us and respect us. Nothing else we want. We love you a lot, Jeshwik.
We're happy you came into this world. We want to give you the best possible life. I hope we'll be able to achieve that. And 20 years from now, we can look at this video and laugh at it.